Hi all, Siavash here, and I got two new updates for JaneApp users. If you haven't installed our Jane integration for your GHL, just go ahead at clinicalconnect.com and you will able to sign up for a 7-day trial and see how it works. But for those of you that installed the integration, this is the new updates that you will be receiving. So the first one is now we are decreasing the syncing time from 1 hour to 30 minutes. That has been requested multiple times from multiple users that they wanted more frequent syncing, and we just wanted to kind of make sure and test it out with Jane servers to make sure that we're not gonna hit them too much and they're not gonna shut any of these servers down. So we're gonna push that out within the next couple of days, so you will be receiving 30 minutes updates, which is going to be very helpful if you want to send your appointment reminders from GHL, because I know Jane doesn't let you to do two-way texting. So if you send an appointment reminder from Jane and someone replies that, hey, I can't make it, you won't be able to receive that message. But if you do the appointment reminder via GHL, obviously you will receive that. Now, the second part was a request from one of our users that they pretty much wanted to have information about two upcoming appointments. So that's what we did. So what you are getting now, so these are all the stuff that we've already been doing. So as you can see, you get the first upcoming appointment, details coming up. And then in this case, this test patient has two upcoming appointments. And what we are doing, we're getting the second one as well, and it comes in here. And as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff with this. And the appointment reminders that I talked about, this is a tool, this is the custom fields that you can use. As you can see, it has the time in there. So you're able to actually do the appointment reminders for like 24 hours prior, 1 hour prior, 5 minutes prior, whatever you want to do. You can use that to set up those automation within GHL. But that's pretty much it for this update. Let me know if you have any questions, and as usual, if there's any feature request or whatever you guys need, I'm more than happy to listen and have a look and see if we can deliver that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.